and look for job. Go and look for business. Stop praying. Africa, we overdo everything. Everything for us is shaky, mama. Rubbish. The more we pray, after praying, we go to people that are not praying to borrow money. We go to China and ask them for money. Because China know how to work. They don't know how to pray. Heaven does not help lazy people. This is why today, listen, many pastors, prophets, bishops, they are rich because of you. Can I talk? Opening a church in Africa today is very simple. Just fail your grade 12 examination or matric. Just make sure that you fail it. Once you fail it, open a Facebook page and start going live on Facebook. Change your name. Put Prophet Sia 1, Prophet Isaiah 2, Bulldozer 1. Put it and start speaking on Facebook. People will follow you. I'm telling you, it's easy to open a church. Make sure you fail your exam. Once you fail your matric, you're automatically a prophet. That is it. That is what is happening. Many of you that on Facebook, we know that I'm not the only one suffering. When I want to go and read news on Facebook, immediately I log in my account. The news feed is filled with prophets. This one is prophesy. That one. I even fear to log on Facebook now because everywhere is prayer. And because it's easy, you just get a school. Some of us to open a church, we had to go to this immigration, that. It took time for us to open this church and have a certificate. But in all this school, you will see. So long as you know you have failed your exam and nobody's there, you have told your parents, Jesus has called me. You start going live on Facebook. Start preaching on Facebook. Church has started. And that's why everybody's preaching rubbish. That's why people, that way they are surviving. That's why they can say there is 21 days of prayer. And you, as Christians, you leave your work. Instead of going to look for job, going to look for business, you leave your work. You come and sit down. On Sunday, I will preach. On Tuesday, I will preach. On Monday, I will preach. Remember that if I declare 21 days prayer and fasting here, it's your offering times 21. Am I talking?
You're talking, Papa.
If you are giving one rand every Sunday and I declare 21 day service, you are giving 21 rand. Pastors are surviving with brain. Pastors that depend on offering. Once they open it, that's why you can see there is this service, there is this service, there is this service. The more you come, the more you give them money. They use it to buy pizza and eat, but you have not eaten. They use it to buy suit and wear, and you don't have wear. What are you talking about? What is going on? Africa, when are you going to wake up? How many times has China prayed? Why is China very blessed? How about India? Buddhist country, a country that don't believe in Jesus. When our politicians fell sick here, they go to India to heal themselves. They go to unbelievers. They have the best medical facilities. How about Dubai? Pastors will collect your offering after 21 days of prayer and go and eat it in Dubai. Give it to unbelievers that don't know Jesus. When will you wake up as Africans?